Hey folks, how y'all doing? Fat Guy Flies RC. Out here and put my hat back on. Out here at the Avon Park field, we're going to take up the Arrows T33. I'm decided I'm going to fly it in the recommended battery, which is 1300 milliamp. Zippy, about as far as forward as I can get it. Let me make sure my camera's still going. Yeah, we're still good. All right, we're going to just kind of take off full throttle. 3-minute timer. Whoa! Well, I scrunched the nose. And that actually, well, I think we'll try that again. I'll have to fix that. Huh. Well, she seems tail heavy to me. And I got that battery as far forward as I can get it. Yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Oh man. I lost her. I don't know if that battery gave out or what. But boy, I lost her. She hit hard. She seemed fine there for a second. Hit our, well, we knocked the canopy off, which is no big deal, but lost part of the elevator down here at the, yeah, that zippy battery wasn't too good for it. Okay, let's see if we can pick up the pieces here. First off, let's do is motor off. Crap. I mean, it's repairable, that's for sure, but yeah, that's all right. I already had the nose crunch, but I didn't think that was, yeah, I got that zippy, the smallest battery, as far forward as I can get that sucker. And that battery is hot as can be. I bet you that battery is no good. It checked out at the house. Huh. Well, you know what? I can glue that back on. I can, oh, she's very repairable. Yeah, she's just not going to be as pretty as she used to be. All right, well, folks, just shows you the durability of the Arrows product. So, still looks good. Just got a nice big kiss right there in the wing. There, and now that she's damaged, she'll probably fly great. All right, folks, well, there we go. Bye-bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Y'all have a good one.